let me come to Coach Hugo Bruce, whom have turned us to be believers. You have given us another hope. It's rare to find Bafana losing because he inherited this team and built them from nothing.
Yes.
Stivo, this the back-to-back Afcon qualifiers for him. He did it last time in Ivory Coast. Now he did it in Morocco.
Yes.
So it's a great achievement for him as a coach, Hugo Bruce. He started this team from nothing. The last time that Bafana had a back-to-back qualifiers of the Afcon, it was on 2013 and 2015, if you can remember very well.
Really?
But in terms of this Bafana that we have now, his strength is based on, I can say, on three things. Number one, it's loyalty. If you play for him, then he will be able to put you into the lineup.
Yes.
Number